The number of required connects for bidding on Upwork has increased over the last few years from an average of about 4 connects to a new average of about 16 connects per job from May 2023. I was trying to apply for a job this afternoon and then I checked the connect required to get that job applied for, and I saw it requires 16 connects and there are about 5 to 10 proposals already on the job. You know, Upwork's argument is that the connect required to bid for each job is increased to reduce competition. That is a very logical and reasonable argument. However, it doesn't seem to be effective in reducing competition, at least for now. I see it reducing the competition in the long run because people would be more careful with the job they apply for, which is a good one. For old freelancers on the platform, this may not exactly be a threat, but for new freelancers, this would make it more challenging for new people to break into the freelance market through Upwork, because Upwork gives new freelancers a limited number of connect, which I have not gotten any information about them increasing. They would be able to apply for less jobs than they used to. For example, let's say the connect that would have made a new freelancer on the platform apply for 10 jobs before they start paying money to apply for more jobs or get jobs within the first 10 proposals they send. Now they don't even have the opportunity to send out as much as 10 job proposals. So the good part is, if as Upwork projected, the competition is reduced, that means the chances of your proposals converting to a real job would be higher. However, that is just a probability. The reality we are facing us right now is that there is a drastic increase in the cost of connects required to bid for jobs. Then remember, this is bid for jobs. You might not even get the job, but the connects are gone. There is already a mechanism whereby if the client interviews you and then hires somebody, your connects that you used to bid to that job, a part of it or the full connect would be reversed to you, which is a very good one. I think there need to be improvement in those other minute aspects to cushion the effect of increasing the cost of connects per job. So many freelancers are embittered, expressing their dissatisfaction with the platform's new policies. The increased number of connects required to submit proposals is particularly affecting new freelancers. Jobs that used to cost 2 to 4 connects now cost 8 to 16 connects, if not more. Then you're still expected to use connect to boost your bid. So that means the minimal is 16 already. So people start bidding maybe 50 connect or thereabout for jobs. So it's getting way more competitive. I perceive that it's possible it becomes an healthy competition, but then what it's looking like presently in reality is that Upwork is trying to make profit, and I think it is good for the platform. The company has been making loss, but I opine that Upwork is already getting enough money from the fees they charge to freelancers, and ladening the freelancers with more levies, with more costs might not be the best option. Probably Upwork should reconsider their decisions. Upwork has been a lifesaver for many freelancers. The increase in Upwork Connect required to bid for a job make it difficult for freelancers to land opportunities. Additionally, like the cost of connect about 20 cents per connect. That means that 5 connects is about $1 and 10 connects is about $2. If I applied for the job I made recourse to initially, that means I am spending about $4 to bid for the job, which I may get or not get. So if I bid for 10 jobs like that, that means I would spend that is 4 times 10. So I have spent $40 bidding for jobs. Then I understand that Upwork is trying to control spamming by freelancers who just send out proposals to every random job. Yes, this would help control that. We don't throw away the baby with the bathwater. It is also going to affect freelancers with good intentions. If you send out 20 proposals, which is the average most freelancers send out before getting a job, especially the new freelancers, so that means you'll be spending in the region of $80 before you get your first job. job, then unfortunately the first job might not even pay you as high as the $80. So you start your freelance journey on Upwork at a loss. So I think Upwork should consider factors on the part of freelancers. For example, freelancers have other costs they incur, the cost of their laptops, the cost of generator. For example, in my country, Nigeria, there is over 100% increase in the cost of fuel, and many times I work on projects using generator. I have other costs I incur in a bid to get jobs delivered to my clients on Upwork. Freelancers are already paying their dues, paying Upwork the 20%. Thanks to Upwork that it's now just 10%. That's a good one on Upwork's side. Okay, maybe that's one way Upwork has actually created a cushion for freelancers. No one is saying that Upwork should not prioritize profitability. Upwork is not an NGO. They are out to make profit. But I think Upwork should consider striking a good balance between ensuring profitability and then the well-being of its users. Its users here does not only refer to freelancers, I mean to freelancers and clients. The amazing thing is that I have also seen posts across social media platforms of Upwork clients complaining about the new fees they are to pay for every new contract. So freelancers are not the only ones complaining. So Upwork should reconsider some of their policies or find a way to cushion the effect of these policies on freelancers and clients on Upwork platform. I know Upwork wants the best for freelancers and Upwork wants the best for freelance clients. We all want Upwork to stay in business and make profits. However, not to the detriment of its users. So I feel there should be a balance. Like Upwork should please listen to the feedbacks that are being given about these policies and make adjustments. Share your experience in the comments below if you have been affected by the recent changes made on Upwork. I was analyzing something the other day. Upwork has about 12 million freelancers, which I know Upwork has more. Let's say out of the freelancers, 500,000 of these freelancers get contract executed on the platform. Now, for the purpose of just this analysis, Upwork gets 10% of the income of 500,000 freelancers. So 10% of the income of over 500,000 freelancers. I think that is a lot of money, and that should be sufficient to run the company. So if Upwork is still making a loss in spite this huge income, probably Upwork should consider the way the income is being expended. When Elon Musk bought Twitter, so he had to lay off some staff of Twitter to control outflow. Upwork should just consider many options to reduce the cost of running Upwork. If Upwork really wants to address the competition issues and support freelancers, it should focus on providing a fair and inclusive platform. There's already a mechanism where freelancers can pay additional connect. That's the mechanism of boosting proposals, where freelancers can pay additional connect to bid for jobs. So now, like Upwork started with just 3 spots. That means that when a client opens the job, the first 3 proposals the client is going to see will be jobs that the proposals are boosted with extra connect. Upwork has increased that to 4, irrespective of the complaint of freelancers. I think they also spotted that many freelancers are deciding not to use boosted connect, to still use the normal bid, and that is why they are coming up with a higher connect requirement of maybe like 16 connect for a single job now. So that way it feels more like they are making everybody boost their proposals without actually getting the benefit of a boosted proposal. Upwork should take action to address the dissatisfaction among freelancers. It should prioritize resolving issues such as spam and scam clients too, because policies are a bit unfavorable for clients. Upwork new changes are very dissatisfactory for freelancers. Many freelancers are complaining bitterly about this, but Upwork should also consider putting their flashlights on clients. There's a lot of scam clients out there and clients trying to lure freelancers into doing mischievous acts. So I have experienced some of them that I think in my video where I talk about how to avoid being scammed on Upwork, I shared an experience with with a supposed freelance client on Upwork trying to scam me. And so I think Upwork should do something about this to curb the excesses of these people disguising as clients. If you are yet to like this video, please hit the like button to stay informed about new tips, updates, and developments regarding Upwork's policy. Please subscribe to this channel and then hit the notification bell if you're already subscribed to the channel, so you can be the first person to know when I make new content about Upwork on this channel. If you think I'm missing out something, please, you can share with me in the comment section.